Best regard. My name is Claudia Caterina Roja Roa, an 8th semester English student at the Caribbean University Corporation. In the first video, he presents some very important and essential features about his life of today's students. Several of these that acquire learning goals, experience, and expectations, among others. The second video was incredible evolve what the student witnessed since the teacher needed to continue with teaching, which implies proving motivation, so he takes an incredible solution. He appears to a digital copy of himself that appears reflected on the screen, and that is turned out since to than him, which is hilarious. In the two videos, you can see the use of TICS either by the student or the teacher that need to improve education. For the implementation of these tools are very important. Suggestions for the better use of ICT in the classroom. Identify and determine the educational objectives and needs of your student. Find an ideal ICT partner. Encourage groundwork in the classroom. Involve your college training. Do not work alone on your school. Take advantage of the new education techniques to start. Never stop evaluating. Remember, the parents to the student are also your allies. Be a good companion in the adaptation process. Educate in a responsible use of ICT. Conclusion. Technology has so impacted the way we live, communicate, and learn. Students expect and need other types of teachers. They expect them to be able to teach them to create, consult, mix, and share information. This that the fact the being born and digital world requires of them. Technology will use it is a tool in incalculable value for the student and for us as teachers. Okay, so far the video. Thanks for your attention.